Alright guys, what's up? Let's catch the ferry today. Hey, Central Station, Amsterdam, Amsterdam North, New Amsterdam. Yeah, we are going to Old Amsterdam Central Station, people. And we are in the ferry, maximum 310 people. Alright, let's go. Hopefully they don't exceed the limit today. Yeah, as you can see, pretty big. But let's go catch the vibe today. There guys. Going back, you know, after the gym, put in that workout, and hope y'all are having a good day so far, man. It's kind of windy on the ferry, so excuse the wind. And yeah guys, so I hope y'all are staying on that positive energy. I hope y'all are having a good day so far. Me, myself, today had a productive day at work. As I mentioned yesterday, I was getting used to some new applications for work. And today I actually got to work with these new applications with the team. Yeah, look, I'm catching a vibe over here. I love the positive energy, guys. You see that? That's what you get in the Netherlands, yo.
Welcome to our country.
Yeah, welcome. Thank you so much. So yeah, actually got to go to the gym with my new colleague, and we went actually right there. The gym is called Trademark. It's actually across, so from Old Amsterdam to New Amsterdam, and it's kind of the basic fit setting, or the fit for free, where they have multiple locations all across the country. So that's pretty neat. But what is even more neat, check this ferry coming in, yo. Pretty big, yeah? Yeah. So I actually just came from Central Station to make another video for the Mr. Vic channel, because I'm actually doing both. And yeah guys, so catch a vibe with this beautiful scene. I mean, it's really breathtaking. And I'm going back to Rotterdam, so you cannot compare Amsterdam to Rotterdam. But yeah. So this is almost leaving. And then I'm going to catch the train. Hopefully gonna catch the new NS train, as NS also has new trains. NS is actually the public transport company in the Netherlands. And yeah guys, they actually have like all these new seats in the train. I heard people talking about the new train, so I'm kind of excited. Hope y'all are catching the vibe, guys. I also saw people fishing in these waters. So there is fish up in here with this movement. Yeah. The canals were really packed during the Pride, the Amsterdam Gay Pride. It was last weekend, and I actually got to enjoy all the positive energy in the city with everyone. And Katie also had a good time. And yeah, guys. Ooh, look, we're going. Look, 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 look. Yay, we are moving. Catch him. Not more. So yeah. See, they still have the pride flag hanging over there. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's all about being your beautiful self, right, people? Remember that. Just be your beautiful self. Stay consistent. Follow your dreams. Stay open to new ideas, especially that one. And yeah, don't be scared to try something new once in a while. You know, get out of your comfort zone a little bit. It helps. And I cannot wait to do that. Alright guys, we're almost here. In, y'all. Check out the water street. You see that? That's pretty cool. Alright, so in a couple of seconds, this baby is going down. As you can see that. Almost there. Alright, there we go. See that? It's going down, 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 down. Oh yeah. Every time we come around, round, 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 round. Yeah. Positive energy, guys. Let's go. Amsterdam. I hope y'all like the ferry ride, guys. Hope you're gonna stay on that positive energy. Promise, promise. Let's do it. And let's keep smiling all the way into winter, y'all. Remember that challenge? Keep that bright smile all the way into winter. I want to see you melt all the ice with this smile of yours, yeah? Because you know you look better when you're smiling, people. So don't forget it, don't forget it. Remind your friend to keep that smile going. All right, people? Hey, look, I'm about to catch the train. And I'm about to see you in the next video, yo. Have a good one, and I'll see you soon. Ciao, 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 ciao.